Hey there, friend! Today, we're going to use our binoculars to look for some inspiration. Then, it's time to get creative and make something really cool. Let's get to it! Let's explore! And let's create!
We'll have fun while we learn and play.
It's Bremmy! Let's get to it! Oh! Hey! How are you doing today? Good? Me too. Hey! I was just out here because it just stopped raining and the sun popped out. And that made me want to come out here and make some art. Now that you're here, you can help me out. Do you want to help me make some art? You do? Thank you so much. Now that we're outside, we should look for some inspiration for our art. Yeah, inspiration. You know what inspiration is, right? Inspiration is when, you want to make something, or you look at something and it makes you feel really good. Let me show you. Come on. Yeah, inspiration. Let's pretend to use some binoculars. Ooh. We'll look around and we'll see if there's anything that gives us inspiration for our art piece. You ready? Okay, make your hands into circles. Put them right against your eyes. And let's look around and see what we can see. Come on. That lizard's pretty cool, but I don't really feel any inspiration to make art about it. Let's keep looking. Oh, those flowers are really pretty, but I don't think that's what I want to make the art piece about. Let's keep looking. Hey, check out that rainbow over there. Oh, it's so beautiful, and it has so many colors on it. Yeah, I love that. Hey, yeah, that's what we're gonna make our art piece about. That rainbow was just the inspiration that we needed. I'm so inspired to make a rainbow piece. And it just rained outside. So, how can we put those two things together? Rain and rainbow. What if we made it look like a rainbow was raining down on our canvas? That would be so cool. Oh, I know how to do it. We should use crayons. Let me show you. Come on. Whoa, wait just a minute. Hey kids, if you want to use spray paint, you need to make sure you ask a parent for help, okay? Alright, let's paint. Yeah, it's nice and blue. And now that I'm looking at it, I think I want to put a little bit of some yellow and some green on there too. Let's do that now. now that the base layer on our artwork is all done, we can go back inside. We can start working on the crayon rainbow. Let's go! Yeah, looks good. But now it's time to work on the crayon rainbow. Let's get started on it. To get started, we're gonna need some glue, we're gonna need a heat gun or a blow dryer, and we're gonna need our crayons. Yeah, so if you wanna do this at home, remember, you always need to ask a parent for help. Let's get started.
Okay, here are all of the crayons we'll be using today, starting with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple.
Alright, now here comes the fun part. Yeah, good job! We're done. And we've got all the colors of the rainbow represented here, just like we wanted. Hey, I'm so glad that we found that inspiration together. Yeah. Hey, I don't know if you've noticed, but I've got some letters on this canvas as well, and I'm ready to take them off. Let's see what it says. Alright, now we're all done. What does it spell? B-R-E-M-M-Y. Bremmy! Yeah, that's me! We had so much fun today. Thank you for all of your help. You did a great job and you're so creative. Well, I'll see you next time. But hey, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay creative. Bye!
Let's